नमस्कार, मैं हूं रणवीर सिंह
नमस्ते, मैं हूं सारा अली खान
और आप देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
He is busy winning awards, Best Actor awards for Padmavat, and she is enjoying the success of her debut film Kedarnath. And we have with us Ranveer Singh and Sara Ali Khan. Their big Christmas and New Year gift is coming up. That is Simba. It's going to be a blockbuster. Everyone feels that.
अरे
You
अरे
guys on Ballad Hungama first.
क्या बात बोल दी आपके मुंह में 20 किलो घी शक्कर फरीदून जी। लेकिन आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर डालेंगे तो हम गाएंगे कैसे? तो शायद नहीं डालते हैं। लेकिन अगर आप नहीं गाए, हमारे साथ एक अजीम फनकार हैं जो हमारे
इनकी रगों में दौड़ता है,
जो हमारा मन बहला सकती हैं।
मैं गाऊं?
बिल्कुल, please.
ऑफ जेवीपीडी स्कीम।
ओह थैंक यू। सीटी बजाए,
हे 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 हे
नखरे दिखाए,
हे 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 हे
सीटी बजाए, नखरे दिखाए, बीच सड़क पे हाय नाम मेरा पुकारे, ओ करके इशारे, ओ लड़की। That's off. Okay, one more. ओ लड़की, ओ लड़की, ओ लड़की
आंख मारे आंख मारे, ओ लड़की आंख मारे,
Fantastic
गाने
meaning.
की मारे।
No,
क्या
no,
ब्लॉकबस्टर
I
गाना
think
है,
it was-
माइंड इज ब्लोइंग, नंबर 1 song in the world,
I feel so,
Right.
thank
in
you.
all of India and
Yes.
most certainly the diaspora. Every car, every gym, every nightclub,
Yes.
it is a rage. Honestly, फरीदून भाई,
जी।
मतलब गाने हैं, मतलब बड़े बड़े गाने, एवी एवी लुटेरा का पूरा एल्बम, रामलीला का पूरा एल्बम, ततड़ ततड़, नशे से चढ़ गई, तूने मारी एंट्री, बड़े बड़े गाने। ऐसा रिस्पॉन्स ना मैंने पहले कभी एक्सपीरियंस किया नहीं है।
जी।
गाना रिलीज हुआ 2 घंटे के अंदर, मतलब भूकंप।
Right.
और मतलब मैं पार्टियों में जाता हूँ, मुझे बोलता डीजे को बोलना पड़ता बस कर भाई, कितना
जी।
बजाएगा।
हाँ, उस दिन तो शादी में क्या 3 बार बजाया
क्या
था
डांस
ना?
किया तूने?
हाँ,
हाय
आपने
हाय।
भी।
So you'd say that she's a lucky charm in a way.
शी इज हर ओन लकी चार्म। देखो क्या किस्मत लेकर आई है। 1 महीने में 2 रिलीज, 1 महीने में 2 रिलीज।
आपके
क्या
घर
बात
काम
है।
करने का
केदारनाथ, सिम्बा, क्लास एंड मास, मतलब मैं क्या बोलूं क्या सर।
सही है।
हाँ,
good.
एक पिक्चर
One got
रिलीज
really
नहीं
lucky,
हुई।
yeah.
एक पिक्चर
One got
रिलीज
very
भी नहीं
lucky.
हुई, केदारनाथ रिलीज भी नहीं हुई थी। कॉफी विद करण में आई अपने अब्बा जान के साथ
जी।
और शी हैज वन एवरीवनस हार्ट्स। अभी मैं क्या बोलूं सर।
Right.
किस्मत हो तो सारा अली खान जैसी।
छोटा छोटा।
Okay, and तेरे बिना के बारे में अगर आप बात करें, because I think that's another beautiful song. The
Yes.
picturization is beautiful.
I knew you like it. I knew you'd like
जी,
it.
जी।
वो मतलब रूहानी फील है ना।
Right.
राहत फतेह अली खान साहब ने इतनी मधुर आवाज में गाया। I knew
जी।
that's the one that you would like.
Right.
आप उस किस्म के।
मुझे भी बहुत
नहीं,
अच्छा
मुझे
लगता है।
आंख मारे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा है। I think आंख मारे is
और दोनों
wonderful as
इतने
well.
अलग
पर अगर
I think both of
आपको
them
गाना
are.
हो तो कौन सा गाऊं?
मैं दोनों कर सकता हूँ. I can do both.
मैं भी
of them.
दोनों कर
range है।
सकती हूँ, करो।
Right.
That's interesting.
तेरे I think she wants to do तेरे बिन.
हाँ बिल्कुल।
तेरे बिन नहीं लगदा दिल मेरा
ये क्या है?
ढोलना,
अदा है.
कि तेरे बिन नहीं लगदा दिल मेरा ढोलना, सब छड़ जाए तू ना मैनू छोड़ना,
Yeah.
कि तेरे बिन नहीं लगदा दिल मेरा ढोलना।
अब भी सोचो सर, इंटरव्यू के 2 मिनट नहीं हुए, इतना
जी।
एंटरटेनमेंट वैल्यू लेकर आई है
Total,
लड़की।
total मतलब.
सोच
Thank you
सकते
so
हो
much.
पिक्चर कैसी होगी।
Thank you so
है।
much.
सोच सकते हो।
अब काम कर रहे हो, अभी हम अपना काम कर रहे हैं।
In fact,
अभी काम कर रहे हो।
हाँ,
रोहित
20
शेट्टी
दिसंबर
नहीं
को
कर
प्लीज
रहे।
आइए, सिम्बा देखिए, हम लोगों ने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है, उम्मीद है कि आपको अच्छी लगेगी।
हम लोग ने बहुत अच्छा काम
हाँ,
किया है, ये कौन
इन
बोलता है?
मतलब हाँ हमने भी कोशिश की है।
Okay, Rohit Shetty, we spoke to him in the morning and he is very excited about the film and
Yes.
उनका तजुर्बा आप दोनों के साथ में बहुत अच्छा रहा, लेकिन ये कि
आपने
आप
वीडियो इंटरव्यू किया रोहित सर के साथ?
जी।
क्या बात क्या
I
बात।
want to watch
आई
this.
लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट।
राइट. सो इनफैक्ट उनका ये है कि दैट जिस तरीके की मोहब्बत आपसे मिली है उनको, एक तो वो बता रहे थे मुझे कि मुझे आज तक किसी ने इतना गले नहीं लगाया जितना कि रणवीर सिंह ने लगाया है.
मसाज भी देते हैं।
किस भी करते हैं चीक्स पे. सो व्हिच आई थिंक द मोस्ट यूनिक एक्टर इन दैट रिस्पेक्ट. सो अगर आप रोहित शेट्टी के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहें एंड द फैक्ट दैट व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट रोहित शेट्टी फिल्म?
My favorite Rohit Shetty films have been
Right.
Golmaal 3, Chennai Express, and Singham. Now, for me, it's very important to have a love relationship with my director because I submit fully. You know, I'm putty in the hands. It's complete submission. So for me, I need to have that dynamic, that relationship and connection of love. And you know, and for me, the expression of that is very tactile. मतलब जब तक झप्पी नहीं दो या पप्पी ना लो तब तक मतलब फीलिंग नहीं आती.
तब तक रणवीर सिंह नहीं हो सकता.
तो ऐसा ही है. मतलब I guess yes, every time I come on set and we start the day, you know, पूरे जोश के साथ, there's a high five, big hug, like yeah baby, let's do this. तो तब feel आती है, and then you get a good positive start to the day.
Right. Sara, there's a perception that during the promotions of Simba, you've been seen wearing those flowery clothes. So is it the impact of Ranveer Singh as far as the dressing?
Listen, I mean, I just try different things, you know. I mean, you know, why not? Like, how boring otherwise, I feel. Maybe, you know, the whole pink mascara was a bit much. But, you know, I had quite a good time. And I've honestly always admired the way Ranveer dresses.
Oh,
I
really?
think, yeah, I think it's really cool.
Really?
Yeah, man. I wonder why you sobered down. Why?
Why I have sobered down?
Yeah, why?
I got a brief, babe.
Yeah, can you not like do it
I
like on
got
my
a
time
brief.
finally?
I
Like
was
I'm
like-
finally working and promoting with the Ranveer Singh and he's like walking around in like these monochrome things and I'm like, what's going on?
I
Right.
got a clear brief. It was
From whom?
Curb Your Enthusiasm.
From whom?
I ain't saying it. But what about Sara, who's killing it? I'm very proud of that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think he's
And
the
you don't
only
listen
one proud of
Don't
that.
listen to anybody else who's saying anything else, okay?
I can continue dressing like that?
Do
like
whatever
Versace vibes.
Versace, Medusa head on me like I'm Illuminati. You know what
This
I
is
mean?
the gated community. I dare you to complete the line.
Please get the fuck off my property.
Okay then.
Dare me,
That's
babe.
Ranveer Singh for you.
So don't listen to what they say. You do you.
Thank you.
do you.
Fine.
She wore an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time. I'm proud of you.
Thank you,
do
Ranveer.
Haters gonna hate.
Yeah.
Dominators gonna dominate.
I agree.
Right.
You support. And I am inspired.
Vegetators gonna vegetate.
How's the experience of working with Ajay Devgan? This is
Top man.
Concept of Simba
Top
and
man.
Singham coming together.
You know, he has an amazing aura wherever he goes. You know, it's like he owns that space. He's got an amazing aura, and he commands respect. You know, he's got such an illustrious body of work. Some of the greatest films that have ever been made. You know, Company, Zakham, Omkara. He's to me. He's not finished his career, but he's already a legend.
100%.
And he's been one of my screen idols, you know, because I grew up in the 90s.
Ji.
So he's been one of my screen idols. I've grown up watching him.
Ji.
You know, it was a huge deal for me to be sharing screen space with the guy, you know.
Ji.
I was very nervous, to be very honest, but he's very disarming in his way,
Yeah.
in his ways, you know. When you really hang out with him and talk to him and chat with him, you understand how grounded, how simple, how sorted,
Right.
and how chilled out he is.
Correct.
You know, he is one of the most chill people that I've ever met.
Absolutely.
You know, and his fundas are really clear and really simple. He's an uncomplicated man.
Absolutely.
And that is so disarming. I have to say, I got goosebumps, you know, once we were performing together and we went to the monitor to check the take. And it's me in the frame, and then he appears. And when I saw the both of us in the same frame on the video monitor, I was like, damn, that's like me and Ajay Devgan in the same frame together.
Right.
It was wild for me. You know,
Right.
I'm very blessed to get to work with my screen idols. I've had a similar experience when I worked with Govinda ji,
Govinda sahab.
with Anil Kapoor, now Ajay Devgan. So it's pretty wild. It's the stuff of dreams.
We have this quiz today, which is about that how well do you know cop dramas in
Right.
Bollywood.
Nice.
So both of you guys
Nice.
can be competing.
This is
Okay.
exclusive and it's going to be really
All
fun.
right,
You're
so
the
I was
first
like-
one to ask us. Wow.
Okay, so this is a quiz about
This
how well
is
do you know
it,
the cop
bro.
dramas.
This
Okay, so
speaker's
let's
coming
start.
home with me.
How do you know
the
it's a speaker?
speaker's coming
Is it a
home with He
speaker?
just said it's
It
a
is a
speaker.
it is a speaker, Bluetooth
It's
speaker.
coming home with me.
Right.
Okay. I'll have two speakers.
I'm going to put
baby.
it on the bar. I'm going to
I
drink
like
a
the
glass
confidence.
of wine. And
I
I'm
don't
going
drink,
to
but
listen.
I'll have my doodh
I'm
and
going
listen
to
to
listen to
music.
Faridoon Bhai's rendition of Ayat. That's what I'm going to
Done,
do.
come on.
Okay, let's
That
start.
speaker is mine.
Let's start. How
You
well do you know
mustn't get
cop
attached.
dramas in Bollywood with Ranveer Singh?
I think you're
and
winning.
Sara Ali Khan? Okay, the first one, there'll be options as well,
Yeah.
and whoever knows. So the idea is that you don't have to just raise your hands. If you know it, just go for it immediately.
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
So
Intense.
yeah.
This is
alright.
always good.
So
Intense.
there are options as well. You can go with the options as well. If you know it beforehand, you can go for it.
Okay, basically.
All right. So the first
go when
one
you
is G. Name the gripping action film in which Nana Patekar plays a ruthless encounter specialist. Parinda, Tiranga.
Ab Tak
Krantiveer,
Chappan.
Ab Tak Chappan.
I was going to say that.
So if you know it, then you don't have to wait for the options.
Yeah, I understood.
ठीक है, so
I
one-
lost the point. It's fine.
1-0.
What
Is there a
film.
trial round?
1-0.
Because that's how it
What a
works.
film.
If you
I'm
want,
so new.
So do
That
you
was a
want to
trial
do you
round,
want to
Ranveer.
give it as a
Absolutely
trial?
not. You should have said it before that it's a trial round.
Why? You wouldn't have tried?
No, but I've used up my mental energy and all now.
But it's a good rehearsal.
No, it's
Right.
no. This is no. This
So
is no,
it's like
this is no,
you know
not
it's
right.
between the two of you. So if he feels that he shouldn't,
Fine,
so,
whatever.
ऐसा
I'll
थोड़ी ना
catch up.
करेगी,
ठीक
कल
है
के
यार,
कल
ले
See,
सीधा
ले।
the
जीता
idea
यार.
is that my request is that it's like that competitiveness has to be there.
Fine, 1-0.
All right, so 1-0, and there's lots of them more. At least I think there's 7-8 more.
Okay,
Okay,
so we have
okay.
chances.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
So
Very
we are having
Ab Tak
options just in
Chappan.
case there is like a.
Oh,
Okay.
what is that line he calls him when he's before he kills him? What is he? देखो मेरे what does he say? मेरी फैमिली को नहीं मारना इन्वॉल्व करना चाहिए था or something.
Right.
मेरी वाइफ को नहीं मारना चाहिए.
That was something else.
Oof, goosebumps.
Yeah,
Goosebumps. The
climax.
way
He's
Nana
talking about
delivers that
climax.
line.
Yeah, amazing.
And what about Shimit Amin, bro?
Wow.
What about his range as a filmmaker?
What a director.
Ab Tak Chappan
What a director.
and
Seriously.
Chak De
No, I'm
India.
sure.
I mean, that's really something.
And he's as a person, he's something else.
Yeah.
He's such a like nuanced
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
like a very Yeah.
Top man.
Okay, so the next one is
One
in in Khaki, who played the role of a corrupt, scared cop who later has a change of heart? Tushar Kapoor, Atul Kulkarni, Akshay Kumar, Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan.
That's wrong.
Tushar Kapoor.
Tushar Kapoor, Atul Kulkarni, Akshay Kumar,
Akshay
Amitabh
Kumar.
Bachchan. She got it. So,
Ha 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 ha.
so
You try till you win,
She had,
and then
she
you
had a
win.
one go. You had a one go.
So 1-1.
Akshay
So
Kumar.
Akshay Kumar. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
It was Akshay Kumar.
Shit, I got confused with An.
No, it was Khaki. Okay, 1-1.
An, Men at Work. Okay, fine. It's 1-1.
Okay, 1-1. It's heating up. All right. What was the ringtone of Sachin Khedekar's cell phone in Singham? If you can name the song. Dhinka Chika, Character Dheela, Sheila Ki Jawani, Munni Badnaam.
Dinka Chick.
Dinka Chika.
I said it before you and I win.
I got confused
She got
between
it
Dinka Chika
I'm gonna
and-
listen to Dinka
So,
Chika, Dinka Chika,
2-1.
Dinka Chika on the
And
speaker.
yeah,
It's
2-1.
gonna be a blast.
I like the confidence actually. So
And the
you-
sound was so good, maybe you'll hear it.
It's a really nice Bluetooth speaker. Trust me, it's worth fighting for.
Chalo, at least there's that.
Okay.
What's the score?
2-1. sir.
2-1.
I'm still in it. Still
G.
in it with a shout.
Okay, this one is really interesting. I think both of you can be knowing it. You may not need the options as well.
I'm getting nervous. Can you
I'm
ask
just
us?
advising you in between. I'm just heating it up.
Yeah.
Just building the entire thing up. All right. जब तक बैठने को ना कहा जाए शराफत से खड़े रहो is said by Amitabh Bachchan in Zanjeer.
Zanjeer.
To whom?
Zanjeer.
To
To
whom?
Pran.
He's right.
Boom! In it to win it. 2-all.
To all.
Okay.
All right. That's pretty interesting. Okay.
Sanji.
In Dhoom, what was the position of Jay Dikshit in the police force?
ACP.
And he's right. He's right. So you know you need
Yes,
to have.
Yeah, okay, fine.
You
I need to have
Yeah,
that.
3-2.
Yeah.
You need to have that. Yeah,
Okay.
3-2.
3-2.
All right. So that's
Back in the lead.
Okay, don't talk, Ranveer.
Definitely. Who are the following actresses has never played a police officer in any film? Tabu, Rani Mukherjee, Priyanka Chopra, Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif.
No, that's not allowed. Katrina Kaif.
I don't. You know.
That's
I.
a-
No, I
That's
don't
a
think it's a
legit-
tie. I think
that's
it's
a legit
no,
tie.
No, 3. No, man.
So
no.
you know, I feel that maybe
You should give
I
it to
have a
Sara.
feeling, but I'll ask other people.
I've
Who-
been on
who
the
do you
show
think?
3 times this month. Just give it to me.
2 times.
3.
This is the 3rd time.
That's what 3 means.
Right. Okay. So it's still.
Just
it's
give it to
still-
me.
Why have you been 2 times already?
I don't know. I think we like to hang out.
Okay. So who do you think said it first?
Sarah.
Boom!
Listen, whatever, man.
Huh?
Yeah, exactly. See,
Okay,
both
so-
are equal, but Sarah he thinks.
Who do you think? Even I
Just
think
slightly,
that he-
ना?
Okay, so it's a tie. It's a tie.
Slight,
मेरा जो केफ
slight
का जो
edge.
फर था ना सर मैंने
Slight
दबा के रखा
edge,
था
yeah.
मैंने वो एक्सटेंड नहीं
लेकिन
किया
कटरीना
Even
ने
I
पहले
think,
कहा था
केफ
तो
का
कैफ
फर जो
नहीं
था
है।
ना मैंने कंप्रेस करके रखा था आई
अरे मुझे नहीं
एक्चुअली
खेलना है।
Right.
फिनिश्ड फर्स्ट तो ये 4-2 हो गया
But
सर
I started first.
No, I think he started first.
Okay, let's let the
Katrina
question
Kaif,
go.
Katrina
3-2.
Kaif, yeah.
एक्सक्यूज मी इट्स 4-2
This
three-two.
film,
It's,
it's 4-2.
4-2.
It's 4-2. It's 4-2.
Dude, what the hell?
This film starts with an accident that happens in the first scene and in the end turns into a supernatural drama
Badlapur.
where a ghost is revealed to be the killer. Name the
3.
film. Dhoom, Om Shanti Om, Talash, Pizza.
Talash.
She's right.
You try till you win and then you win.
4-3. 4-3.
Okay. Never mind. Did you say
Films.
pizza at some point?
She's gonna like, she's saying all the
4-3.
names, so like, I don't know.
No, I
this,
think.
We all have our own methods, Ranveer.
This Petra is a bit like, थोड़ी सी cheating है इसमें, थोड़ी सी cheating.
Sir, which of the following cop films didn't have a sequel or prequel or any more film in the franchise? The options are Dhoom, Shootout at Wadala, Ab Tak Chappan, Khaki.
अब तक 56.
No, there's something else with that. I think it
Khaki.
is Shootout at Vadala. Because Shootout at Lokhandwala is not a sequel.
Sequel or prequel?
It's not a prequel either, it's totally different. They're different shootouts, you can't be
It's
so
in, the,
generic.
it's in the
Ab
similar.
Tak
it's in the
Chappan,
similar,
bro.
It's in the similar. Like Shootout
That-
at
अब
Lokhandwala will be like
What? They're not, it's not a prequel or a sequel, Faridun ji.
Shootout at Wadala, and it's basically it's considered to be like in the
Because they
franchise
both
zone.
are shootouts?
Yeah. It is considered in that.
Wow.
अब
that's-
तक 56.
Okay. Dhoom, Shootout at Wadala, Ab Tak Chappan, Khaki.
Khaki. I win. So the score is 4-4. It's not Ab Tak Chappan. Okay, never mind. Last couple of questions.
Ab Tak
on the
Chappan
zero.
has that.
So what?
Ab Tak
How?
Chappan- Yeah, Ab Tak Chappan.
What is it? अब तक 56 too.
Ab Tak Chappan has that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ab Tak Chappan has that.
It's fine, Ranveer, we're tying. See,
Sequel
isn't that good teamwork?
For all.
We stand together for Simba 28th December. Okay. come.
Okay. Last question.
Jesus, it's a tiebreaker.
Right.
Okay, Faridun sir, before you give this question,
What?
this cheating is not allowed.
Okay,
Like
Ranveer.
when you
Now suddenly,
one
now that
second.
I'm in the race,
before
you care.
say when you say option A, she repeats option A. When you say option B, she repeats option B.
That's not true.
50-50
You have
तो दिया
to
जाता है,
repeat.
50-50
You have
तो
to
आप
finish
उसमें
all
कर
your
सकते
4
हो।
options.
Right.
Then whoever says it first. Correct?
No, I finished the options.
He
Then
finished
after
the
that,
options.
she's
No, but one question she won like that.
I've been
by
fair
the
with you
way.
as well.
Why
You know, I've
we
been
forgot?
fair-
Might be
I've been
McNally.
fair-
Talash,
I've
she
been-
won like that, na?
I've been fair with you as well. That
Yeah, come on.
Maybe you came first, so I was fair with you. You still are in the
I'm really
are in the
nervous.
game. You're still
Yeah.
in the game. Okay, it's like the
I
last one
must
is
quit.
what was Rani Mukherjee's name in the film Mardani? Shivani, Shivaji Roy, Priya Rai, Rajeshwari, Chanchar, Ananya Chaube.
Shivani Shivaji Roy. Boom. ले I mean दे मुझे
4,
दे
5.
मुझे.
So, agar if you can, Sara, please give the
Yeah, if you do
speaker
the
to-
honors, Sara ji.
please.
Yes.
So then, what's the plan now?
So that's it. Like he has one actually.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. It's the.
If you
it's
can hand it over to him.
It's the felicitation ceremony. Ta ta da ta 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 ta.
So,
I want to have headphone also. Ah, you have one, I have two.
Ta da da da.
any victory speech that you can please give.
I'm going to use this Bluetooth speaker to listen to my favorite covers by Faridun Bhai. I'd like to congratulate my co-actor. She really gave me stiff competition in spite of the fact that she tried to cheat in between. But the truth shall always prevail. Justice has been served, and I have won this.
Thank you so much.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Okay.
I
Very
was
ready.
just telling Kaushal that,
Ji.
brother, if you're finding the Marshall to be too cumbersome, we'll go and get a smaller, more compact one for you to carry around. And you see, whatever you put out in the universe, shiddat se na, it just comes to you.
comes to
The
you.
very next day,
Right.
I've earned it.
Right.
Brother, thank you.
I don't.
I appreciate.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So rapid fire with Sara Ali Khan.
In spite of the fact that I won the speaker,
Ji.
this is for bragging rights.
If you were a dessert, what would you be?
Besan ke laddu.
If you could date a man from the bygone times, who would he be?
Bhagat Singh.
What?
Okay,
I think
that's
really hard
interesting.
about him.
Okay.
All right, if you could change one thing about Mumbai, what would it be?
The roads can be cleaner.
If you win a big lottery, what will you do?
Save my money.
If you were given a really hideous outfit to wear on a film set, what would you do?
Wear it.
Okay. If you were not an actor or actress, what other profession you would have been in?
I think I'd be sad.
If you could travel back in time, what period would you go to?
Mughal.
Biggest fashion faux pas that you have ever had?
I don't know, nobody liked my hat, man. Wait, what did you think about my hat?
You do you, babe. You
Okay.
do you.
Yeah, nobody liked my hat.
3 words that will define Ranveer Singh's style statement?
Changing when shouldn't.
Oh.
Okay. All right. So, Your first, we will talk about a few of your firsts, and you have to say the first thing that comes to your mind after hearing it, okay?
Okay.
First celebrity crush,
Kartik Aaryan.
first designer wear,
Abu Sandeep.
first car,
Honda.
first time you sign an autograph,
I don't know, sometime at promotion. It was very cute.
first reaction when you saw Taimur doll.
There's a doll. He looks like my brother.
Yeah, there's a doll.
Yeah, they made me do the whole doodh
No,
thing. I
that
think I
was a
told you.
reaction.
Yeah,
that was the
that's
reaction.
the reaction. Thanks.
First time a guy proposed to you.
Never happened.
What?
Never happened.
So, Sara, ye ya wo,
ठीक
either
या वो.
or.
जी.
Okay. Awards या reward?
Reward.
Giving presents or getting presents?
Getting.
Eyeliner या smoky eyes?
Smoky eyes.
हाँ, smoky eyes.
Fit guys या funny guys?
Funny guys.
Oh.
Godfather या Star Wars?
Star Wars.
Flowers या diamonds?
मैं फूल खरीद लूँगी अपने आप तो diamonds.
Texting या talking?
Neither.
Socializing या reading?
It depends on what I'm reading.
Beyonce या Rihanna?
Beyonce.
Yes or no, if you can just tell us. Have you ever cried after a haircut or after coloring your hair?
Yeah, I've cried after a haircut.
Have you ever had an imaginary friend?
Yeah, I think so. In
Do you
school.
believe in ghosts?
Yeah.
Have you ever flirted with the idea of writing a novel?
No.
Do you imitate others in front of friends or when alone?
Imitate others?
Ji.
Yeah.
Have you ever been stalked by a hot guy in your college?
Listen, I haven't been stalked ever.
Okay. Have you ever tried imitating a monkey or a chimp while looking at yourself in a mirror?
Probably not in a mirror, but imitated them for sure.
Have you ever proposed to a guy and got rejected?
No.
Have you ever heard someone gossiping about you?
Yeah.
All right. That was pretty good.
That's very good. That's a solid
very- she's-
solid round.
Thanks.
I'd give you a speaker, but no.
No, our Rapid Fire has got 1.5 million views
Really?
on Bollywood Hungama. It's like a big
he's
draw.
so popular.
Rapid Fire with Ranveer Singh. If you could ask the following people a question, what would you ask them? Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
When do we start our next film?
Okay, if you could ask a question to Ajay Devgan.
Sir, how did you like my work in Simba?
All right, if you could ask a question to Rohit Shetty.
Sir, how did you like my work in Simba? Or rather, when are we starting Simba 2?
If you could ask a question to Akshay Kumar.
Say J. I don't know, what would I ask Akshay Kumar? Sir, मुझे पैसे कमाने के अलग-अलग तरीके सिखाएं.
आप दिखाया ना वो कॉफी मत कर में क्या बोला मुंडन है तो नाचा बच्चा रो रहा है तो नाचा उससे
आज तक तो मैंने फॉलो किया है, उन्होंने जो भी बोला है मैंने फॉलो किया है.
Okay, if you could ask a question to Rakhi Sawant.
Rakhi Sawant.
Right,
If I could ask her a question,
right.
what's the deal with Deepak? What's the deal?
Okay, Deepak Kalal.
Yeah, what's the deal?
You think that there's a deal?
I mean, something was going on, no?
Right, they're supposed to get married.
Exactly.
Okay, okay.
Is it on? Is it off? What's the deal?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, if you could ask a question to Kapil Sharma.
Kapil Sharma, भाई शादी में कितने बजे आऊं?
What will Sangram Bhalerao Simba do if he meets the following characters today? Ricky Behel.
Wow, he'd put him in jail. Or he'd crack a deal with him and be like, bro, 50% you, 50% me, sweat equity is yours, I just got to do nothing, you got to better pay up or I'm going to put you in jail. Because he's a kamina. Ricky's a kamina, but Sangram's a much bigger kamina.
All right. If Simba could ask a question to Bikram from Gunde.
Simba could ask a question to Bikram from Gunde.
Ji.
He'd be like, bro, I'll work for you. but we gotta crack a deal here. You know, you gotta give me the revenues out of one of your coal mines. You gotta put it in this, direct it this way.
Great. If you could ask a question, if Simba could ask a question to Ram from Ram Leela.
Ram from Ram Leela.
Ji.
He'd be like, bro, do you want to get into a partnership? Like, we could peddle porn together and we'd split the profits.
If Simba could ask a question to Dharam Gulati from Befikre.
If Simba meets Dharam from Befikre, wow, they literally have nothing in common. Sangram would probably ask for Vani's deets, Shaira's deets.
Ji, if you could give quick replies in one word, please. Ranveer Singh as teenager.
One word,
Ji.
confused.
One movie that you can watch again and again.
Raja Babu.
One song that can make you dance at any time.
You must say Akmal at this point.
मेरी पैंट भी sexy.
Or not.
Title of your biography would be?
A life well lived.
If you could, what would you put an end to something?
Just lack of compassion.
Get rid of a habit.
I really want to sort out my sleeping habits. They're really bad. I have very poor sleeping habits.
Hopefully that should get sorted now.
Yeah, trying to.
If you could, what would you steal one thing from Sara?
You're not the speaker anymore, seeing as you won yours.
Headphone maybe.
Her intelligence.
Aye.
Intelligence, yeah, she's very intelligent.
That's a compliment.
There's absolutely no doubt about that.
Okay, thank you.
Change one thing about Rohit Shetty.
Change one thing about
Ji,
Rohit Shetty.
Ji.
I would. I'd make him stop spending so much money on cars.
All right, if you could change an event from history.
An event from history.
Ji, if you could, what?
If I could change an event from history.
Ji.
The Holocaust.
Sure.
The Holocaust. If you could get any one superpower,
Yeah.
what would
If
that
I could get one superpower.
What would that be?
Mind reading. I'd like to read minds.
You strike me as a flyer.
Yeah, that too, but I'd rather read minds.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hot, you're not. Following statements, whatever it is. Hot, you're not. Playing pranks.
Not.
Late night horror films.
Not.
Rumors.
Not.
Drives.
Hot.
Gossiping.
Not.
Backbiting.
Not.
All right. So that is pretty good. That is pretty good. Both of you, thank you very much. It's
That was
like
all right.
Thank you.
it
I
was
could win
wonderful.
a second speaker if there was one.
I just feel that I was very good.
You were excellent.
Yeah,
you were
I think I win.
You were excellent. Yeah.
Congratulations, Ranveer.
I'm like winning something every day.
So thank you very much, and all the best wishes for Simba.
you.
And we are sure that it's going to be like a big New Year gift for both of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रणवीर सिंह
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ सारा अली खान।
और आप देख रहे हैं
बॉलीवुड हंगामा।